When you don't prepare, even small dangers become big losses. Watch this video.
The case of soldier ants eating up chickens in poultry houses is becoming common across many states.
Some farmers even wake up and find all their birds eaten clean. Soldier ants move in groups. Once they sense heat, smell, or leftover feed around the pen, they strike. But you can prevent this.
Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click the notification bell so you don't miss any update.
One simple and effective method many farmers use is condemned engine oil. Get condemned engine oil and pour it around the poultry pen. Pour at the back of the house, near cracks, bushy edges, or any area that ants can use as a pathway. The smell and texture help repel soldier ants and stop them from entering your pen. It is not expensive. It can save you from big losses. Other tips you can add: clear bushes around your pen. Avoid leaving feed scattered outside. Block holes or openings where ants can pass. Check your pen at night during this season. This season is risky. Prevention is far cheaper than replacement. If you need more poultry tips, follow me for daily updates. For training, ebooks, or questions, chat me on WhatsApp 070-6907-4379.